So, guys, this is our current analysis on gold, and we are looking at gold giving us a lot of pips this time around. I know that um, um, a lot of guys will be like, what's going on? So, I think this should be about. They should be catching up to about a lot of pips here. So we have this. So in case you are confused about what's going on here, so the market is actually on an upward trend, and so it's supposed to continue on an upward trend, but we'll see that the candles, there's a bit of resistance from the buyers, and then the market drops and then start buying again, and then so it needed to get to this particular level for takeout or supply, and then a breakout, the candle came back. See the wick here, the shadow. So that already gives us the sign for a sell. So the sell is coming to consolidate this area, this support zone, and then so that it can go for the heavy massive buy. We know gold. A lot of persons have been talking on the internet. Well, I'm not really a trader that is concerned about what other traders are saying. You just have to be concerned about what the market is showing you. You understand what I'm saying? What the market is showing you. And if you are very sure with the strategies that what the market is showing you is actually very, very correct, then you can go ahead, make your judgment in the market, either for a buy or a sell. Some persons were saying that gold is going to be on a consistent buy throughout the year. But we are not babes in the market, and for those that have been trading for long, you know that the market doesn't go that way. Even if it stocks, or maybe there are points where the market will come back to consolidate a particular price, take out a demand zone, take out a supply zone, and then it continues going up or it continues coming down. So at this point, we are seeing gold trying to consolidate this point here. So it could have done it here, but a lot of ranging candles at this zone. So it needed to take out all this liquidity and then move. So we are seeing a major movement here of bullish. So now that the liquidity, the supply zone has been taken out. So we have our resistance here that the market will come down and then dance around this consolidation support zone, and then we'll go in for a heavy buy. So the market is all about patience. So at this point in time, it might take 2 days, 3 days, it might take this whole week for gold to come down to this support zone and consolidate that price before moving for a massive buy, maybe hopefully by next week. But what we are considering is not actually the time, but the move, major moves in the market, okay? Major moves in the market. And if you've been trading with me for long, you'll find out that these things are actually accurate. So stay tuned. So we'll be looking at it from this for those persons that seriously wants to take the trade. Just be patient at this level. So the signal will be dropped for this particular trade. Like I said, it might be this week, it might take 2 or 3 days, because we are looking. I'm a day trader and I look at the higher time frame. So if you have money saved up, fund your account. I will tell you, fund a very You can fund $5,000, $10,000, $50,000, because the stop loss is very small. As we can see here, that the space between them is very small, but the profit is way higher. So stay tuned, fund your account, register with my broker, ISNS. They give 50% of deposits higher than $1,000, so that we can trade the market together. Okay, stay tuned.